दोस्तों, सो टुडे वी आर स्टार्टिंग फॉर द क्लास 8 प्रैक्टिस सेट 15.3। हम वन बाय वन क्वेश्चन करेंगे। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए बी सी डी लेंथ ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल टू 13 सेंटीमीटर and length of DC is equal to 9 centimeter, AD is equal to 8 centimeter. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Let's get find out how to. So first one, now use of the formula area of the trapezium is equal to 1 upon 2 sum of the length of the parallel side into height. Now ये formula apply करेंगे तो आप easily find out कर सकते हैं. Let's see how to get solve. So first one, now area of trapezium is equal to 1 upon 2 sum of the length of parallel side into height. Now sum of the length of parallel side. So this one and this one both are the parallel side. So length of AB plus length of DC and multiply length of AD is equal to height. Now AB and DC is equal to 13 plus 9, then multiply by 8. So get cancellation. 2 4s are 8, 13 plus 9 is equal to 22, then multiply by 4 is equal to 88 square centimeter. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is 88 square centimeter. So now let's start for the question number 2. Length of the parallel side of a trapezium are 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter respectively, and its height is 4.2 centimeter. Find its area. Now length of parallel side, right? So same apply that formula. Length area of trapezium is equal to 1 upon 2 sum of the length of parallel side into height. Now sum of the parallel side, sum of the two parallel side is equal to 8.5 plus 11.5. 8.5 plus 11.5 and height is equal to 4.2. So get cancellation. 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now 20.0 plus multiply 2.1 is equal to 42.0. So area of trapezium is equal to 42 square centimeter. Let's see third question. So third one, quadrilateral ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. Length of PQ is equal to 7 centimeter, segment PM perpendicular segment SR, and length of SM is equal to 3 centimeter. Distance between two parallel side is 4 centimeter. Find the area of quadrilateral PQRS, right? So quadrilateral PQRS find out करना है. So get draw the segment of the Q.N, right? So this one is equal to this side. So this side are equal to the this side, and this one is similar to the this one, right? So let's see how to solve. Now practice set 15.3, question number 3. Quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium, right? ये given है statement. PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. So PQ is equal to 7 centimeter, SM 3 centimeter. So therefore now PQ is equal to PS, length of PS is equal to length of QR. Okay, this one is equal to this one, right? Draw the segment of QN perpendicular side of SR. This one draw that. Then distance between parallel two side is constant. So this side is constant to the this one, right? It means this for the value of the 7 centimeter. So this one is also 7 centimeter, and PN side of segment of PM perpendicular segment of SR, and segment QN is a perpendicular segment of SR. It means this for the PN, length of PN is equal to 4 centimeter. So length of QN is equal to 4 centimeter, right? In right angle triangle, triangle of PMS. So first one हम ये बताएंगे PMS. So hypotenuse side test. PS is a hypotenuse, and second one hypotenuse QR, right? Hypotenuse of QR, right? So first one triangle और second one triangle. तो first one में बताया hypotenuse PS and second one hypotenuse QR. So side PM congruent is equal to side of QN, right? Now triangle of PMS congruent is equal to QNR by hypotenuse side test. Okay. Now NR length of NR congruent is equal to length of SM. So corresponding side congruent triangle CSCT, right? So this one is 3 centimeter, this one is also 3 centimeter. So P, M and Q, P, M and Q. सो हम ये रेक्टेंगल फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो रेक्टेंगल फाइंड आउट करने से पहले फर्स्ट वन ये बताएंगे 7 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो 7 सेंटीमीटर. स्टेटमेंट आएंगे अपोजिट साइड ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आर इक्वल, राइट. देन सेकेंड वन, अगर सेगमेंट एस आर फाइंड आउट करना है, सो नाउ यूज ऑफ द सेगमेंट ऑफ एस एम प्लस सेगमेंट ऑफ एम एन प्लस सेगमेंट ऑफ एन आर. सो 3 + 7 + 3 इज इक्वल टू 13 सेंटीमीटर. सो लेंथ ऑफ एस आर इज इक्वल टू 13 सेंटीमीटर. सो फर्स्ट वन हमने पूरे सेगमेंट हमने फाइंड आउट कर चुकी है. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम 1/2 सम ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ पैरेलल साइड इनटू हाइट. सो सम ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ पैरेलल साइड क्या आएंगे, पी क्यू प्लस एस आर. एस आर 13 एंड पी क्यू 7. सो 7 + 13 20, 2 2 = 4, देन मल्टीप्लाई 2, 2 2 = 4, देन इज इक्वल टू 40 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. एरिया ऑफ congruent PQRS is equal to 40 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. अगर कुछ डाउट है सो प्लीज़ कमेंट करिए. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. स्टार्ट फॉर द प्रैक्टिस सेट 15.3. जय हिंद दोस्तों.